Salam Kalakalam.
வெல்கம் பேக். சலாம் கலக்கலாம் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கீங்க. 10 மணியாகி 37 நிமிஷம் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஐ எம் சாரி 6467 நான் கொஞ்சம் செக் பண்ண மறந்துட்டு பார்த்தா லோட்ஸ் ஆஃப் மெசேஜஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். அண்ட் இப்போதைக்கு செந்தில் வேலா இவங்க என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, I'll ask you this one first. How to reduce insulin level in blood through diet?
Actually, Nivi, the only way to reduce insulin in the blood is through a diet chart.
Okay.
This does not mean, again, a soup and a salad diet.
Mm-hmm.
As usual, I know I'm being very repetitive, but again, you have to include foods which are wholesome.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here it's all about processed foods. It's all about the bread, the pita,
Okay.
the hummus, everything is a paste.
Okay.
Okay, all we have to do is just ensure that we are eating a little more fiber in the diet.
Okay.
Okay, so she will have to change her diet a little bit, include lots of fruits, lots of nuts, include a lot of idli, but yes, with lots of vegetables inside it, or lots of oats and flax seeds inside it.
All right. Next question comes from someone. I know they have not put the name, but they're telling how to reduce belly fat through diet. Belly fat is a problem here, and
Yes.
a common problem for all the adults. தனியா தொப்பை இருந்ததுன்னா அதை எப்படி reduce பண்ணலாம்? How to reduce belly fat?
That's right. Now, if anybody, okay, apart from a liposuction surgeon, okay, whether it's a wrap or a tummy tuck, tells you that I am going to ensure that you're going to lose fat from your belly or your arms or your hind, he's joking.
Oh, you can't reduce.
No. Only a liposuction surgeon can cut that part off, and he can ensure that yes, you have done your inch loss. But it's the job of a good dietitian and a good diet plan to ensure that fat goes from places where it is maximum.
So is it possible in a year's time, or
Yes, not even a year's time. You know, if you are very, very actively following a good diet chart, and if you are a little active in the workout, again, not a compulsion, because I myself hate working out.
Okay.
So yes, it is possible, but that's the job of, again, a good diet. So a low carb or a high protein will not do a good job as much as a good balanced diet will do a job.
ஸோ அகைன் வேற எந்த விஷயத்துக்கும் போயிடாதீங்க. அதாவது எந்த ஒரு புரோட்டீனோ கார்ப்ஸ் மட்டுமே நோக்கி போயிடாதீங்க. பேலன்ஸ் டயட் மட்டுமே உங்களுக்கு அந்த தொப்பையை குறைக்கிறதுக்கு உதவும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இதுல கொஞ்சம் பொறுமை உங்களுக்கு வேணும் கண்டிப்பாக. பட் இருந்தாலும் ஒர்க் அவுட்டும் கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கணும். ஒர்க் அவுட், பெலி ஒர்க் அவுட்ஸ் ஆர் மோர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஆப்ஸ் ஒர்க் அவுட்.
That's what. Even in a workout, okay, no trainer can guarantee that you are going to lose fat from that place.
Okay.
It just tones the muscle, but yet again, we are not equipped to give you a guarantee on that. The body physiology is very, very personal and very, very different from person to person.
Okay. So
There is no magic exercise or no magic diet or no magic wrap or pill which will ensure that you lose a belly fat or you lose jiggly arms.
okay.
No,
But hearing it from you, actually we are a little heartbroken, because all this while we were thinking that we would.
Marketing gimmicks.
Yes, marketing. Even when we are seeing the ads and all, no?
Yes.
They tend to be doing some elliptical exercises, but they're telling that you'll get beautiful abs. I don't know how it
Only
happens.
if that was possible, today all of us would be flaunting our abs, isn't it, Nivi?
If something happens, a magic like that, please take me as the first client of yours. And there are other listeners who have messaged. The last message for this particular time I'll be asking you is from Paneer Selvam. He's asking diet control for obesity. Just give him examples what he should eat from morning to night.
Yes, in the morning, I would say again, there is a very, very, very yummy cereal called muesli.
Muesli.
Muesli. Okay?
It looks like oat, but it's better than oats.
It's better than oats. It has 7 grains. It has nuts. It has honey. It is not like having, something which is very bland.
Okay.
So enjoy it. Add in a banana to it. Why banana is a good fruit. Please don't blame that poor banana for adding weight.
Okay.
Add some apples. Throw in some nuts. It is going to be a fantastic breakfast for you.
Okay.
And guaranteed you will feel awesome, not feel hungry for quite some time.
Okay.
I would also advise him to drink green tea, chamomile tea, or even a new tea which has come, which is made out of, drumstick leaves.
Drumstick leaves.
Moringa tea. drumstick leaves which we throw out.
No, we don't throw out. You don't know. Tamil people, we eat drumstick,
Wow.
poriyal. Yeah,
The leaves.
the leaves, yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Today, those leaves are powdered, marketed, and sold at 600 rupees for 10 tea bags.
Are you sure this is not by any Tamil guy? I don't know how they're doing, but we have always had, and I am actually famous for keeping it away from my plate. Actually, it doesn't taste good. So
That's why. So
Yeah.
then people have ensured that now we have it in the form of a tea.
tea. Ah,
Okay. So
okay.
it's very, very healthy.
Okay.
Even matcha tea is very readily available in the markets even
Okay.
here. Matcha tea is also something which is again a Chinese concept,
Okay.
but brought in India, and you're going to do fantastic. So please, instead of having your normal tea and coffee loaded with sugar, ensure you have such wonderful drinks. Have them iced when it is very hot over here. Have them hot when it is very, very cold over here.
So drumstick